Introduction to Google Analytics segments. Google Analytics segments allow you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users or sessions within your data, providing a more nuanced understanding of your website or application performance. To get the most out of segments, it is essential to understand how to create and apply them effectively. Understanding segment types. There are two main types of segments in Google Analytics: predefined and custom segments. Predefined segments are provided by Google Analytics and include common groups such as new users, returning users, and mobile traffic. Custom segments, on the other hand, allow you to create unique groups based on specific conditions such as demographics, behavior, or traffic sources. Creating custom segments. To create a custom segment, navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and select the Segment tab. Choose the type of segment you want to create, such as users or sessions, and define the conditions that must be met. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for sessions that originated from a specific campaign. Applying segments to reports. Once you have created a segment, you can apply it to any report in Google Analytics. This allows you to view data for a specific group of users or sessions and compare it to your overall data. For instance, you can apply a segment for new users to your behavior flow report to see how new users navigate your website. Best practices for using segments. To get the most out of Google Analytics segments, follow these best practices. Use descriptive names for your segments. Keep the number of segments manageable, and regularly review and update your segments to ensure they remain relevant. Additionally, use segments in combination with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, to gain a deeper understanding of your data. Common use cases for segments. Segments can be used in a variety of ways, including analyzing user behavior, tracking campaign performance, and identifying trends. For example, you can create a segment for users who have abandoned their shopping cart to identify areas for improvement, or for users who have completed a specific goal to understand what drives conversions. Conclusion. Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool for gaining insights into your website or application performance. By understanding how to create and apply segments effectively, you can unlock new insights and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. By following best practices and using segments in combination with other Google Analytics features, you can maximize the value of your data and drive business success.